In this video, we solved a numerical of vertical plane surface submerged in a liquid. In a last video, we derived the two parameters for vertical plane surface submerged in a liquid. These two parameter is the total pressure force and second is the center of total pressure. So by using that equations, we solve these numericals. So as a vertical plane surface, here one rectangular plane surface is given and the dimension of this rectangular plane surface is 2 meter wide and 3 meter deep. It lies in a vertical plane in a water. So already we mentioned that we solved this numerical of the vertical plane surface. But in exam, first you need to identify which type of the surface is given. Okay, so this vertical plane in water is also a one of the parameters or one of the given data to solve the numericals. We need to determine total pressure and position of center on the plane surface when its upper edge is horizontals. Means here we need to find out two parameters. One is the total pressure, second is the at which point or at which center the total pressure force is act. Means we need to find out F and at star. Now we need to find out these two parameters for the two cases. First case, the surface is coincides with the water surface, means the rectangular surface and the water level is at the same levels. And second, when 2.5 meter below the free water surface, means the rectangular surface is below 2.5 meter from the free water surface. So first we write down this given data. So first parameter is given, width of the plane surface B, it is 2 meter, depth is given 3 meters, and we need to find out the total pressure F and the center at which the total pressure force is act, that is the H star. And we find out these two parameters for two cases. First, coincide with water surface. So here we see this is the free water surface and this vertical surface is also at the same level of the water. And here we check this dimension, this width is 2 meter and the depth is 3 meters. This is the G point, that is means the CG points, and the P is the center of pressure points. So here we need to find out this H star. Okay, and we also need to calculate the H bar, means which is the center point of this rectangle. This is the second case. This rectangle is 2.5 meter below from the free water surface. So this parameter is same. From the G point the free water surface is H bar, and from the P point it is the H stars. So first we solve for the upper edge of the rectangle is coincides with the water surface, means we need to use these diagrams. So we already know that the total pressure equation F is equal to rho G into A into H bar. So if you don't know how we derive this equation, so I request to watch the last video. For the last videos, the link is provided in description as well as in the card. Card means from top right screen of your mobiles or laptop you see these I symbols. From that you can watch these derivations. Now here the water is given as a fluid. Okay, so here we mention the fluid is water and the density of the water is the 1000 and the G is 9.81 meter per second squares. Now we need to calculate the A and the H bar. Now what is the A? A is the width into depth, means B into T. So 2 into 3, it is a 6 meter square is the area. Now what is the H bar? H bar is the height of center of gravity point from the free water surface. Okay, so here the rectangle surface are there. For the rectangle surface, the H bar is equal to this depth divided by 2 or height divided by 2, means it is the H or D by 2. We know that where is the center point of this rectangle. The center point is at the divided by 2, height divided by 2 or width divided by 2. So we get this here the G points. Okay, so H bar is the 3 divided by 2, it is a 1.5 meter, means G point is the point at which the weight or mass of the whole surface is located at, it is called as the G points. Now we put this value in this equation, that is the rho is 1000, G is 9.81, A is the 6 and the h bar is the 1.5, and we multiplied and we get this equation, that is F is equal to 88290 newtons. Now seconds, we need to find out the depth of center of pressure, means we need to find out this H star. So this is the point P at which this amount of the force is acting. Okay, so first we find out the force, that is F is this value, but at which point this force is acting. So we need to find out this H bar. From this H bar we can decide that at this point the total pressure force is acting. For that H star, the equation is Ig divided by A into H bar plus H bar. So we already know what is the A. A is 6, H bar is 1.5. Now what is the Ig? Ig is the moment of inertia about Cg. Cg means this G point about the area of the surface. Now equation of the Ig is depending on the shape of the surface. So here we have the rectangular shape. For the rectangular shape, equation is the B into D cube divided by 12. We know that B is 2 meter, D is 3 meter. So we putting this B is equal to 2, D is equal to 3 divided by 12. So this equation is changed based on the shape. Suppose the shape is rectangles, shape is triangles, these equations are different. So this equation is only valid for a rectangles. In second numericals, we take the surface is circulars. In third numericals, we take the shape of the surface is the triangles. So in this video, we can see what is the equation of the Ig. So you can easily remember these equations. So Ig is equal to 4.5 meter raised to 4 powers. Now we putting this value in this equation, that's the Ig is equal to 4.5, area is equal to 6, H bar is equal to 1.5. Okay, so we get this part is equal to 0.5 plus this 1.5, so we get this value is the 2 meter. Means this P point is 2 meter below from the free surface of the water. So here we see this H bar is 1.5 and this H star is the 2 meters. So in a last video when we deriving this equation, at that time we mentioned that the P point is always below from this G point for a vertical plane surface. So from this numerical we can understand this H star is below to the H bar. Now for second case we can find out this F and H star. For before moving ahead, I request to like the video and subscribe my channels for watching the more video related to FMHM and other subject of this mechanical engineerings. For FMHM subject, various link is provided in descriptions as well as in car. For other subject, I request to visit the playlist of my channels. Now we find out the F and H star for the second case. Now what is the second case? The upper edge is 2.5 meter below the water surface. So we need to draw the second diagram. So here you see this is the second diagram. This is the rectangular surface and this rectangular surface is 2.5 meter below to the water surface. And here we mention G point, P point. So free surface to the G point distance is the H bar. From the P point to the free surface, the distance is the H star. Here we mention this dimension, it is same as the last case. So now we find out the F. So equation of the F is same whatever the cases are that is a rho G A into H bar. Now here we already know rho is 1000, G is 9.81, A is 6 meter, that is a 2 into 3. But here the H bar is changed. Okay, so what is the value of H bar? So from this surface to the G point the distance is 1.5 meter. Okay, and this height is also added. So 1.5 plus 2.5. So H bar is the 4 meters. Okay, so this is 2.5 plus equation is the this depth divided by 2. So 3 divided by 2 it is 1.5 plus 2.5 it is a 4 meters. Now we putting this value, that is rho is 1000, G is 9.81, A is 6 and the H bar is the 4. So here I hope you can understand about this H bar. Okay, so first we find out this equation from this rectangle, that is a 1.5, that is same as last case. So we need to add this height, means how much the surface is below to the water level. So we need to plus this with the D by 2. So we get this 4 meters. And the value of F is equal to 235440 newtons. Now second, we need to find out depth of center of pressures. So center of pressure is given by H bar is equal to Ig divided by A into H bar plus H bar. So here we get these different answers. Okay, we cannot see that's the this is the 2 meter plus 2.5, we get these 4.5 meter answers. So this value is changed because the surface is going much more below to the water surface. Okay, so when it's go, the force is increased, and the force is increased, then the value is also changed for the H star. So Ig is the 4.5 as same as the last case. Okay, because the equation is B into D cube divided by 12. So this value is same. Okay, and the H bar is equal to 4. So we putting this value, Ig is 4.5, area is 6, H bar is 4, plus H bar it is again 4, and we get this answer that H bar is equal to 4.1. In last case what we achieve, it is a 2 meters. Okay, so 2 plus 2.5, that we get the 4.5, but this P point is changed when the surface is much going below to the water levels. Okay, so it's different answer. So thank you for watching this video. If you learned something, then like the video and subscribe my channels for watching the more video related to FMHM and other subject of the mechanical engineering, and don't forget to share with your friends.